Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to write the introduction and body paragraph number 1 of our cause and effect essay. The introduction. The main purpose of the introduction is to inform the reader of the topic, giving necessary background information of it. The purpose of the introduction is to provide a relevant thesis statement explaining the causes or the effects of the situation of the topic selected. The introduction is divided in 3 parts. The first is the hook. The hook is the sentence that grabs the reader's attention. Since we are doing a cause and effect, this could be some kind of revelation, some kind of question. Its main purpose is to serve as an appetizer for the reader to get a sense of what's to come. There are different types of hooks. The first could be a striking fact. Another possibility is a rhetorical question. Our third possibility is a quote. And finally, a shocking statistics. The next part of our introduction is the background information. In this case, background information is very important. It gives more evidence toward the causes or effects and explains them. Another key point is to make sure that this information follows a logical path. Include information that helps understand the causes or effects instead of just filling up empty space. The last part, but probably the most important one, is the thesis statement. The thesis statement highlights the main point of the entire essay in one sentence. Along with the setting of the situation, it should state the general point of your entire essay in a few words. The goal of the essay is to prove. It should include the causes or effects that will be explained through the paper. There are some types of thesis statement. They can focus on effects or focus on causes. These are some examples. Focus on effects. TB has had some psychological and physiological adverse effects on human beings. Or focus on causes. Direct causes of deforestation are agricultural expansion, wood extraction, and infrastructure expansion. In fleshing out your introduction, you will want to avoid some common problems. 1. Don't provide dictionary definition, especially of words your audience already knows. Try to avoid cliché sentences or ideas. 2. Don't copy from a source as it is yours. And number 3, don't give details and in-depth explanations that really belong in your body paragraphs. You can usually postpone background material to the body of your essay. Body paragraphs. The body is where the writer establishes the points to validate the thesis statement. In each paragraph, the writer needs to set a cause or an effect that support the thesis statement and give some facts, examples, quotes, or any other relevant information that reinforces the points stated. The body paragraphs are divided in 3 parts. The first, the topic sentence. The topic sentence in the body paragraph is the cause or the effect that supports the thesis statement. It should be the first sentence in the paragraph. It should be specific as it limits the topic to one area that will be fully discussed in the paragraph. The second part of the body paragraph are the supporting ideas. Once you have found your 2 main causes or effects, topic sentences, you need to gather details. To explain the causes and the effects, it is necessary to include some details that support them. You might use. First, some facts. Second, some examples. And third, some quotations. The final part of the body paragraph is the closing sentence. In formal paragraphs, you will write a sentence at the end of the paragraph which summarizes the information that has been presented. This is the concluding or closing sentence. You can think of a concluding sentence as a sort of topic sentence in reverse. Closing sentences. Round off what you have said so far in your paragraph. Qualify the views expressed, and link the current paragraph to the next one. For every essay to be successful, there are transitions and connections that need to be written. For a cause and effect essay, transitions and connectors are important because they help indicate causes or effects regarding the topic. Precise use of transitions helps the reader to follow the writer's reasoning about cause and effect relationships. Transitions are very powerful in discussing the reasons why something might have happened. Here we have some examples of cause and effects transitions or connectors. We have since, effects, so, therefore, accordingly, hence, thus, because. And these are some other general words that you might include in your essay. As a consequence, in other words, resulting in, furthermore, more importantly, although, on the contrary, and for instance. Now that you have finished watching this video, go to the PDF file and complete the exercises proposed. Remember, if you still have questions, have them ready for your face-to-face class.